Rumors surrounding the Sony A7V have ignited a firestorm of excitement among photography enthusiasts and professionals. As the successor to the groundbreaking A7 IV, which revolutionized the mirrorless camera market with its advanced autofocus, 33-megapixel sensor, and robust video capabilities, the A7V is poised to set a new benchmark. While Sony has not officially announced the A7V, speculation suggests that the new model will retain a similar design to its predecessor, potentially featuring an articulating rear touchscreen and a larger grip for improved handling. The A7V is rumored to boast a 42-megapixel sensor, a significant upgrade from the A7 IV's 33-megapixel sensor, paired with an enhanced Bions processor. This potent combination could deliver substantial improvements in image quality, processing speed, and overall performance. The Sony A7V is expected to build upon the impressive autofocus capabilities of its predecessors, introducing an AI-based real-time tracking system. This innovative feature would significantly enhance the camera's ability to accurately lock onto and follow subjects, even in complex and dynamic shooting environments. Furthermore, the A7V is speculated to include a range of additional features designed to expand creative possibilities and streamline workflow. These include dual card slots for increased storage flexibility, USB 4.0 connectivity for faster data transfer, and Bluetooth 5.2 support for improved wireless connectivity. The combined benefits of these features would empower photographers and videographers to push the boundaries of their craft. The Sony A7V is rumored to boast impressive video capabilities, including 8K 30p and 4K 120p high-resolution recording. Additionally, the camera is expected to feature 10 frames per second continuous shooting with AF/AE tracking, further solidifying the A7 series' reputation for versatility and adaptability. Industry rumors suggest that the A7V might launch in late 2024, aligning with Sony's typical product cycle. This timeline would enable the company to incorporate the latest technological advancements into the new model. Pricing speculation varies, with some expecting the A7V to maintain its predecessor's $2,500 price point, while others suggest a potential increase of up to $4,000, depending on the extent of the upgrades and Sony's competitive market strategy. The camera community is abuzz with speculation regarding Sony's next release, with some predicting the A7V, others the A7S IV, and a few even suggesting a new line that could potentially replace the A7S series. This uncertainty has only added to the palpable anticipation surrounding Sony's next move in the full-frame mirrorless segment. If speculation surrounding the Sony A7V proves accurate, this cutting-edge camera is poised to significantly disrupt the mirrorless camera market. By seamlessly combining enhanced features with competitive pricing, Sony may create a highly appealing option for enthusiasts and semi-professional photographers seeking a versatile tool for diverse photographic and videographics applications. The A7V's potential to cater to various needs could establish it as a top contender in the mirrorless camera market. Enthusiasts and semi-professional photographers who require a reliable and adaptable camera for different genres, such as landscape, portrait, sports, and wildlife photography, may find the A7V to be an ideal choice. Moreover, videographers and content creators who demand high-quality video recording capabilities, including 8K resolution and advanced autofocus features, may also be drawn to the A7V's impressive specifications. The A7V's attractive blend of enhanced features and competitive pricing could be the key to its success. By offering a robust set of features, including improved autofocus, enhanced video capabilities, and increased sensor resolution, Sony may create a compelling option for photographers and videographers seeking a high-performance camera without the hefty price tag.